The new HOMAG EDGETEQ S-512 automatic Edgebander comes in left and right-hand configuration. Zero-edge airTec models are also available. The servo infeed fence with pneumatic infeed stop ensures ergonomic, safe, and pace loading of the workpieces. The pre-mill station equipped with diamond insert tooling cleans the edge for optimum glue bond. It's preceded by a separating agent spraying unit that keeps the surface of the workpiece clean. The S-512 can apply solid wood strips up to a ½ inch in thickness thanks to its robust servo-controlled pressure zone. Workpiece preheating ensures an appropriate temperature for optimum adhesion. The automatic 2-coil magazine can handle coils up to 3 mm thick. The edgeband material overhang is minimized by servo control. The robust sliding end trim can be adjusted electro-pneumatically from the universal HOMAG power touch control between straight, 30-degree chamfer and overhang trimming. Its small workpiece gap increases productivity and output on this 20 meter per minute industrial machine. The servo fine trim can do 3 different profiles on top and bottom, all from the control. It is followed by a corner rounding unit unique in its kind in the industry due to the use of magnetic linear drive technology. This highly precise servo corner rounding unit has automatic change for 2 radii and can also trim continuously on top and bottom. The profile scraper removes shatter marks from the fine trim cutters for a smooth edge. It can change automatically between 7 different profiles for unlimited edge banding variety. The finish section is comprised of a flat scraper that removes any excess glue, a cleaning agent spraying unit, a buffing unit, and a wide heating unit that brings back luster for perfect edges.